Hello, this is Tom from Composite Designs. Today we're going to go over painting our 3D printed milk cans. These are O-scale ones. And I'm going to just go over trimming them off the support plate and painting them. And they don't necessarily have to fit your era. They can also fit into some other eras because there's a lot of them, even to this day, just sitting around as decorations and everything like that. So let's reposition the camera and get started. Using a pair of snips, we remove all of the milk cans from the supports. Go ahead and discard the support plate. Lay a piece of sandpaper on a flat surface and gently sand the bottom of the milk cans flat. Using tape or some sort of non-permanent glue, secure it to a device that you can use to hold the milk cans while you paint them. In this case, we're using a board. Some people use things such as wine corks or anything like that. Off camera, we primed them using a Duplicolor primer, but most primers will work. We're going to go ahead and give this a base coat using Vallejo's Paleta Silver. We ended up giving 3 good coats of paint. We wanted to tone down the shininess a bit, so we coated all of them with a light coating of India ink and alcohol. Finally, using white pan pastel, we kind of dusted over the whole thing to kind of tie it all together. We used a little black and a little brown around the bottoms to signify some shadows down there and it having been beat up. Not going too crazy, just a little highlights here and there. If I was to do it over again, I'd probably go a little lighter on the dye. That particular dye was stronger than I had anticipated. But overall, I think it came out okay. Another thing we hear a lot of is that milk cans don't fit our era. Well, you got to remember that they fit every era. They're still used to this day for decorations and stuff like that. So even if you're doing a modern era, they would fit outside of, say, a motel or a gift shop that's in a non-railroading scene or something like that. So use your imagination. As always, we hope you learned something.